Good night. My name is Lisette Lorena Rey. This is the presentation for the speaking activity. I am going to tell you about a trip I had to the Archeological Park of San Agustin Villa. That was an amazing trip. Well, we have this experience. One of the most beautiful places that I had visited is this archaeological park. The department of Huila is located in the south of Colombia, embraced by the south to north by the central of eastern cordilleras from the Colombian Pacific, being crossed from its birth by the Magdalena River, forming mountains topography to side and side. It's a travel about 5-6 hours by road from the city of Popayán. The recommendations. It is recommended that people wear hat because you can get sunburn. Sometimes it's sunny, but sometimes it's rainy. Always is the recommendation to use sunblock. It is recommendation that people pack an umbrella in case that it rains. It is necessary to take the tour of archaeological exploration because you are going to know more about the place, about the sculptures. It is important to watch your luggage and children, and recommended to go to the archaeological labyrinth. This labyrinth was built with the native people of there for some kind of god they had. Well, it is important to take some pictures because this is the most beautiful remember you ever gonna have, and it's a special experience to share with your family or with a special friend. It is necessary to some souvenirs. You can get a little status as a remember. What you should do or shouldn't do. People should wear comfortable clothes because it's walking. People should take a bottle of water to drink. People should watch the kids all the time. They can get lost. People shouldn't touch the archaeological status. People shouldn't go to swim on Magdalena rivers because it is too big and well, you can get drunk. And people shouldn't walk alone for all the park. You have to stay with the guide, with the group, because you can get lost in the labyrinth. It has only one way to get in and one way to get out. So you can get lost. And this is the end. Thank you for listening and have a good night.